What, oy? Hi, guys. Welcome to our vlog. Now, Dossie need to drink milk. Yeah, diba? She's always like this. See? Tahimik na siya, guys. She's like a baby. Our survivor. Piggy. Ano talaga siya, guys? Hindi siya makalakad. He is almost 2 months now. On the 20. Right, Dossie? You're getting old now. Right? He's like this now. Oh. Say hi. My name is Dossie. I'm the little girl of my mama. I am the survivor. Piggy. See? Sorry guys, my dogs always keep passing on my back. Come on. Drink all. Come on, drink all. Come on, proper. Okay, behave. You see you're gonna, oh. Tumuturo yung laway mo, Pi. No. Ang laki-laki mo na. Gusto mo ihawin na kita? No. No, not yet, no? No, Mama, you're the only one lucky charm, Mama, right? Yeah. Makagigil, guys. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. Ayaw niya talaga, guys, ano ba, yung putol-putol niya pag-iinom. Dapat talaga, ubusin niya. Konti lang natitira. Dapat ko na ito, i-switch yung pagkain niya sa, sa solid food. Instead of milk na. Soon, solid food na yung kakain niya soon. Pero, dinadahan ko muna yung ahos Bombay. Dinadahan ko muna yung sa kanya. Pagbibigyan ng pagkain na solid, guys. Baka mabigla. Okay. Baka mabigla yung timing niya eh. See? She really want to get all the milk now. I was afraid. Nasa French dye, ref. Pinakaubos tayo, ahos.
Bombay? Bombay?
Oh.
Ay, Bombay.
Ato sa, ato.
Ano? Ay, yung Bombay.
Ato sa Talingin.
Ay, Bombay doon. Itong ako nakita ano nga.
Dato, balik ka dato. You're almost done na, you're almost finished. You're almost finished na. Naman na? You don't like it na? Oh, stop. You're a really big girl na, P. Lucky mo na. You're a bad girl na. Are you? What you gonna do next? After you're drinking milk, Dossie? You're gonna lay on my shoulder. Because you like that, right? Okay. No more na. No more na. It's empty. Yeah, see? Let's just like that. Ano, bakit to? Ano? Ano, guys? Ano na? Diba? Laki niya na, guys. Oh, laki na niya, guys. Oh. Oh. Big na niya, oh. Laki na niya. Huh? Ano gusto mo? What do you want? What did you want? What did you want? Say hi. Say hi, ate. Hello, Ninang Ninong. Hello, Ninang Ninong. I'm done drinking milk. So now I'm sitting to my mama's lap.
I'm nonchalant.
You're nonchalant?
I'm introvert person.
She like this position, guys. Na.
Lucy.
She's literally like this.
Naalala lang mas rubo.
Huh?
Naalala lang sa rubo.
Ayun. No more. Behave. La. Okay na? What do you want?
Milk.
No more milk na. It's enough naman.
Sleep.
No more milk na, ha? You must behave na. You're big na. Oh, you're big na. Before you're little. Now you're so big na. You're growing so fast, Dossie. Say hi to Ninang. Hello, Ninang. Hello, Ninang.
Parang kang... Hi! Soon parang kabike. Tulog ka niya. Sige. Laboy.
Here na, mama nito cook na.
Uy, bugna.
Okay, you have to go back. I put you back there na, ha?
Luwing mo.
Okay? What that always chewing there? You don't have anything in your mouth? Why are you keeping chewing there, Dossie? Do you want solid food na? Do you want to eat solid food? Do you? I stick my tongue to that. Okay na. So yun na, it's time to ka na. Yeah, it's time to ka na. Put you back na ha. Okay? Bye-bye to everyone. Bye-bye, Ninong. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.